Okay, y'all. So in the meantime that I'm waiting for my bakar Vietnamese beef stew to cook, it takes about 45 hours. The video is coming soon. It's gonna be a long one too. But anyways, waiting for that to cook. I'm eating some quick lunch with some rice, drizzle with some nước chấm, which is like a Vietnamese, almost like a crack sauce, I guess. That's what people are trying to call it, but it's fish sauce basically, with some of this meat right here, chicken on a stick, with some fresh cucumbers. And yep, this is gonna be my quick lunch, y'all. Cooked in the air fryer. Look at this. But yep, this is lunch.